What is a kaiju? Translated, it means strange beast. The kaiju and the way they are depicted and perceived in modern day originates not from Japanese folklore, but it is in fact from film. Back in 1954, Gojira was released, which many claim is in fact the first and original kaiju film. Ironically enough, the kaiju genre was heavily inspired by American cinema, the movie monsters of that era being King Kong and even the Beast from 20,000 Fathoms. Those movies being box office successes and Tomoyuki Tanaka being a fan, he decided to put his own spin on those movies and Gojira was born. Fast forward to the modern era and we have kaiju films left, right and centre, Pacific Rim being one of them. The kaiju term within that movie universe is something a little different and relates directly to the story. The kaiju of Pacific Rim are massive, amphibious creatures or monsters, genetically engineered by another race, known as the Precursors. The Precursors created these beings as a means of wiping out the life on Earth, ready for them to colonize. Pacific Rim being a fantastic example of kaiju coming full circle. Inspired by Hollywood, kaiju would be known wide in Japanese pop culture, and now Hollywood has taken what it inspired and put it out to their key markets. So I've had a lot of requests for kaiju content, and more specifically Pacific Rim content. What I wanted to do was give you the backstory first, and then begin delving into the world and bringing you kaiju content. So moving forwards, for all your kaiju and Pacific Rim content, stick with me, Mr. H. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay notified of all my future content. If you did enjoy this video, then please consider leaving it a like, as it does help the channel out. I've been Mr. H, and until next time, I'll catch you in the comments section.